Shift plus A and add a cube. Tab into Edit mode. Press I twice to inset individual faces 0.3 units. Control or Command plus R and add 2 loop cuts on all sides. There is an order to dice dots or pips where the sum of 2 sides should equal 7. I'll select 4 faces first. On the opposite side, I'll select 3, sum of which is 7. 2 faces here and 5 on the opposite side. 1 at the top and 6 at the bottom. Now press I to inset 0.05 units. Alt or Option plus E and extrude faces along normals. Switch to Material Preview and head to Material Properties. Add a red and white material. Click Assign under white material to assign it to the selection. Control or Command plus B and add a small 2-segment bevel. Tab into Object Mode. Control or Command plus 3 for a level 3 subdivision. Right-click and shade smooth. The dice modeling is complete. Thanks for watching.